Welcome back to our lesson number 32, representing the short vowel sound of E. This is called elephant. Elephant sound eh, eh, eh. How to make the sound? As in egg. As in elbow. As in elephant. As in elk. As in bed. As in legs. As in man. As in tan. As in hen. As in wet. As in nut. These are the sound words. Elephant sound eh. We're going to practice on how to write the short vowel sound of E. It sounded eh. These are letter E. Get your pad, paper, and we will write this letter E. So for your assignment, you will write short vowel sound E in your notebook. Thank you for watching. Bye.